Welcome to this video. Today we are working on a report on a course. So first, let's go to book page 38. Please read this text and decide, would you like to take this program and why? Pause the video. What do you think about this? Okay, we're going to share in class. Now, we continue on 8, this time exercise A. Please read the comments on the course again and check the ones that were included. Pause the video. Okay, so you should have found reading to other students. Now, if comments that were not included, food and accommodation, some lectures were too long, campus too far from city, and difficult assignments. Please decide in which paragraph you would include them. Remember to have this before. Great, let's continue. So, one of the options is to use a present participle clause. There was too much reading, leaving little time for evening activities. If you notice, leaving is the present participle, which is introducing the participle clause that indicates the result. Now, there are other options, like using so that, and such that. She spoke so quickly, so students couldn't understand her. In this case, so is indicating the result. Look at the other example. She spoke so quickly that students couldn't understand her. In this case, that is indicating the result. So is just giving emphasis on how quickly she spoke. Remember to use so before adjectives. It was such a great lecture that almost everyone decided to take the course. In this case, once again, that is indicating the result. But we're not using so, we're using such because we have a noun, a great lecture. Let's continue. Now, you could also use expressions like as a result, consequently, and therefore to express results. Now here, the most common is to use them in two different sentences. Group work was part of the course. As a result, the classes were lively. However, if you would like to include them into one sentence, please do this. Group work was part of the course, and as a result, the classes were lively. Just add and before your expression. And as a result, and consequently, and therefore. Okay, let's continue. So here I have some expressions. Please classify them into phrases to express results or to change points of view. For example, as a result, obviously expresses a result. But then, expresses a changing on point of view. Now pause the video and work on the rest. We're going to check in class. Great. Now, let's go to workbook page 24, exercise A. Here, you're going to circle the correct option to complete this evaluation. Let's do the first one. The following is an evaluation of the summer intensive program in wildlife conservation. In this report, I will comment on the classroom instruction and the field trips, and I will conclude by offering a general recommendation. The teachers in the program demanded a lot from the students. The students had to work extremely hard to meet their high standards. Should we use consequently or even so? That's right, we're going to use consequently, right? As a result, the students had to work extremely hard. Now pause the video and work on the rest, please. Okay, let's see. Next you should have because of, giving, as a result, so, such, having said that, helping, and finally, therefore. Did you get this right? Excellent. Now, let's work on exercise B. Here, you're going to rewrite extracts from a report using the expressions in parentheses. Now, you may need to rewrite two sentences as one. And remember that there are more than one correct answer. Let's see. Our summer course was incredibly useful. I strongly recommend that you sign up for it. We should use therefore. In this case, I wrote, our summer course was incredibly useful, and therefore I strongly recommend you sign up for it. However, another option could have been incredibly useful. Finish the sentence there, then say, therefore, I strongly recommend that you sign up for it. Okay, now we're going to check this in class. Finally, I want you to please list some of the courses you have taken, whether they were in school, in university, other courses, and list positive and negative things about each of the courses. Remember to have your ideas ready for our lesson. I will see you